Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a blog graphic on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the More section next to the Websites button and search the blog graphic option next to the program. Here you have more options. If you want to add pictures and other files to your project, go to the Uploads button, and here you can upload files to the Canva, or go to the Gallery section, and here you can find the images and videos from your device. In the Elements section, you can search different graphic elements, for example, shapes, stickers, charts, and more. If you want to add text to your project, go to the Text button and click to the Add a Text Box option. If you want to draft, go to the Draft section and just draft to your canvas. In the Design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. And just select a template and tap on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, click to the white square icon next to the Design section and just select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that. You can move and you can edit the size. If you want to change a picture on your project, go to the Gallery or the Uploads button, select a picture and just drag it to the selected frame. If you want to edit the text, click to the text box, delete the text, write. And if you want to change the type of your text, click to the arrow next to the relevant font type option, font type name, and here you can select another text style and font type. If you want to edit the size of your text, click to the minus or the plus icon. In the Effects section, you can add different effects to your text, for example shadows, hollows and shapes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.